How to get games on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to get the games on Android, simply first of all launch the settings application on your device, and all you have to do is just tap on the about phone option. Select the version of your device and check for any updates available. Here as it says there are no updates available, we're going to go back and then we're just going to go and launch the Play Store application. So as you launch the Play Store application, make sure that you are logged into your account. So all you have to do is tap on the search bar and tap on the search bar and search for any games that is more what you would want to play. So here you can see there are different games that I've searched for. You can just go to the each app over here and then tap on the install button. Now as you tap on install, it will start installing with a proper stable internet connection on your device. So you just have to install it and you can get your games on your Android. You can also download the application called Google Play Games, where you can get to see a lot of games that you can play from Google. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.